Hi, Robin here. Welcome to another STATA tutorial. In this session, I am going to show you how to do a paired students t-test. To do this test, we will be using the chip data. So I'm going to open the chips data file. Now, as you can see, we have the chip data open. CHIP stands for Comprehensive Health Improvement Program. Let's look at the data set. Let's click this data browser here. Now we have a couple of variables here. We have the code, the gender, the age. Call group 1 stands for cholesterol group 1, and call group 2, cholesterol group 2. You have the BSL group 1, which is blood sugar level group 1, and blood sugar level group 2. These participants entered a study which was called the Comprehensive Health Improvement Program, in which they started on a vegetarian diet and went on that diet for 30 days. Before they went into that diet, we collected their bloods and then analyzed it for cholesterol and blood sugar before the intervention and after the intervention. So I want to know if there is any statistically significant difference between the mean cholesterol before they went into the dietary program and after the dietary program. To do this, we'll come to statistics, go to summary tables and tests, we'll come to classical tests of hypothesis, and we're going to use the mean comparison test paired data. So we are going to compare the cholesterol before these participants went into the dietary program and then after. So for the first variable, we will select call group 1, the second variable call group 2, and we'll click OK. This data puts out this output. The command is t-test call group 1 = call group 2. It's a paired t-test. Here you have the variables for call group 1 and call group 2 here. So you have the number of observations, there were 19, the mean cholesterol in group 1 and the mean cholesterol in group 2. The mean cholesterol in group 1 is 4.8 and the mean cholesterol in group 2 is 4.3. You have the standard error, standard deviation, and 95% confidence interval. On the third row here, you have the difference. You can see the mean cholesterol in group 2 is 0.51 millimoles per liter lower than the mean cholesterol in group 1. Here you have the null hypothesis, which is that there is no difference between the mean cholesterol of group 1 and group 2, so the mean cholesterol is equal to 0. Over here you have the left-tailed hypothesis, and to the right you have the right-tailed hypothesis. In the middle you have the two-tailed p-value. Okay, and we will use the two-tailed p-value. The two-tailed p-value is 0.0004. This is significant. So how do we interpret this? The interpretation is as follows: that there was a statistically significant reduction in the mean cholesterol in group 2 compared to group 1. So we would infer that the vegetarian diet reduced the mean cholesterol by 0.51 millimoles per liter. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching.